Hey guys, it's Josh here from Game Abusing Monkeys, bringing you a tutorial on how to install a mod on the new Minecraft 1.6 launcher update. So first of all, you're going to want to download a couple of things. First, you're going to want to download a program to open up a zip and jar file, so for example, WinRAR. Secondly, you're going to need the Minecraft 1.6 launcher, obviously. And then lastly, you're going to need your mod, which I've got just here, which is a villager mod, and it basically allows different types of villages to be spawned for the villagers to live in. So, for example, like sand biome villages and things. So, once you've got all of those, just go ahead and open up your Minecraft launcher. And now we can go over to the Profile Editor tab, and then it will show you a list of all of the profiles that you've created. So basically what they've done is they've made it so that you can have multiple profiles, which means that you can log in with multiple usernames and multiple jar files, meaning that you can have lots of different profiles all running, for example, Minecraft 1.6.1, but for each profile they can be running a different jar file which has different mods installed. So basically you can go ahead and put your mod onto the default profile, or you can go ahead and create a new profile to only use that mod, which is what I'm going to do. So just go ahead and create a new profile by clicking the new profile button, and then just give it a name. So I'm just going to call mine villager-mod because it's a villager mod, and then you can just go ahead and click save profile. You can change these things if you want to, but I'm not going to because I don't really need to. This, I believe, is the amount of RAM that the profile is going to use. So for example, right now it's 1 gig, so you can go ahead and change that if you want to. And then once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and open up a new file explorer, and in the address bar just type in %appdata%. Now go into .minecraft and versions. Now here you're going to see a folder for each and every snapshot or version that you have downloaded. So you're going to want to go ahead and copy and paste the folder of the version of the original jar file for the mod that you have downloaded. So the mod that I've downloaded is for Minecraft 1.6.1, and luckily the only jar file that I have is for Minecraft 1.6.1, so just go ahead and copy the version that your mod is for. Then once you've done that, just go ahead and rename the folder to anything that you want. So what I'd recommend is naming it something to do with the mod that you're going to install, so that you don't get confused about which folders are which mods later on. So I'm just going to call mine villager-mod because my profile is that name as well. And then go into the folder and rename both of the inside files to the exact same name as the folder. And then finally, you're going to want to open up the .json file with some sort of text editor, and you're going to want to change the value of ID, so just here, to the folder name, so the name that you made your folder, which mine is villager-mod again, and make sure that it is surrounded by the quotes and it's straight after ID semicolon. So once you've done that, just go ahead and go to File, Save, and then close it. Now the final thing that we need to do is actually install our mod. So just go ahead and open up the .jar within that folder that you just created, and then you're going to want to go ahead and just install your mod like the old versions of Minecraft. So just go ahead and select everything, like class files and everything. Just go ahead and drag it into your .jar within the folder that you created. Go ahead and copy that across, and then delete the meta-init folder, and that's it. So the final thing that we need to do is go ahead and restart your Minecraft launcher, and finally just go ahead and select your profile from the profile selection box on the right hand side, and then click on edit profile. Now next to use version, go ahead and select the folder that you just created, click on save profile. Now you can log in and play. So now to actually test whether it's worked, what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap screen recorders so that I can easily record Minecraft. Okay guys, so now that I've finished swapping the screen recorders, let's just go ahead and create a new world and allow cheat so that I can fly around if I don't spawn right next to a new village. So just wait for the world to generate. And hopefully there should be a new type of village rather close to me, so let's just go ahead and enable fly. And yep, there you go, you can see that straight away the mod's working, and there's a new type of village for the villagers to live in. So that's pretty much it, guys. A video will be coming soon on a full review of this mod, so be sure to stay tuned for that and subscribe to see future videos. Thanks for watching. See ya.